Today on Below Average DIY, we're going to freshen up a wall in my bedroom with some mirror panels. It was completely plain and needed some special sauce. I picked up a pack of 12 of these guys, handmade and hand delivered by Mr. Bezos himself. Bought some double sided tape. The only other tools I needed were a level, tape measure, and a knife or scissors to cut that tape. I measured out what felt like a reasonable location for the center and put the double sided tape on my first victim. This first piece is going to be the cornerstone of the whole wall, though it happens to be in the center. I made sure this panel was a perfect 45 degrees since the rest of the panels would all be placed relative to this one. You'll see what I mean. The second panel chipped after taking one good look at my face, but I had a few extras, so that was no biggie. Now for placing the panels. I had a piece of wood trim about a half-inch thick, which I used to consistently space the panels between each other. I eyeballed the edges on the top and bottom because I'm lazy and firmly pushed all corners against the wall, confidently sealing my fate. After it seemed like this approach would work, I taped up the rest of the mirror panels and then got to work using the same spacer and eyeball method. While I have you captive, audience, I'd like to give you a not-so-friendly reminder to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in future self-deprecation and additional house projects. Once they were all mounted, I wiped these bad boys down with Windex to remove my greasy paw marks, and they were looking crispy. The lines and gaps in between turned out pretty clean, even with my janky spacer method. Overall, I like the addition to the room. I'm thinking about doing something with the rest of the wall above my dresser, maybe some built-in shelves. Drop a comment to let me know what you think I should do with the remaining space. I'll also be attempting to remodel this entire bathroom in the near future, so stay tuned for that video a few months down the road. Hope this helps you out. As always, good luck on your house projects and subscribe for more below average DIY.